Hello everyone, you are welcome to how to solve this very nice algebra equation. A squared minus b squared is equal to 15. Our job is to find all possible values of a and b, where a and b are natural numbers. It means a is greater than 0 and b is greater than 0. Now by using this algebraic identity, a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b. This a squared minus b squared will become a plus b times a minus b is equal to 15. Now we have product of two factors at left hand side. So we factorize this 15 as 1 times 15, 3 times 5, 5 times 3 and 15 times 1. Now if a is greater than 0 and b is greater than 0, then this a plus b will be greater than this a minus b. So this product 1 times 15 will be rejected because 1 is smaller than 15, and this product 3 times 5 will be rejected because 3 is smaller than 5. So we are left with only two cases, 5 times 3 and 15 times 1. This is case 1 and this is case 2. First we solve case 1. In case 1 we write this a plus b times a minus b equal to 5 times 3. Now we write this greater factor a plus b equal to this greater factor 5, and we write this smaller factor a minus b equal to this smaller factor. So we get this equation a plus b is equal to 5, and we get the second equation a minus b is equal to 3. And we add these two equations, so this positive b will be cancelled out with this negative b, and this 1a plus 1a will become 2a is equal to 5 plus 3, 8, and from here we divide both sides by 2. So this 2 will be cancelled out with this 2, and we get the value of a is equal to 4. Now to find the value of b, we put this value of a 4 in this equation. The equation is a plus b is equal to 5. In place of this a, we write this 4 plus b is equal to 5, and we subtract 4 from both sides, so this get cancelled, and from here we get the value of b is equal to 5 minus 4, 1. So from this case we get the value of a 4, value of b 1. So from here we get a first pair of solutions, a comma b is equal to 4 comma 1. Solve this case 2. In case 2 we write this a plus b times a minus b, a plus b times a minus b equal to this 15 times 1, 15 times 1. Now we write this greater factor a plus b equal to this greater factor 15, and we write this smaller factor a minus b equal to this smaller factor 1. So we get a plus b is equal to 15, and in the second equation we get a minus b is equal to 1, and we add these two equations. This positive b will be cancelled out with the negative b, and 1a plus 1a will become 2a is equal to 15 plus 1, 16, and we divide both sides by 2, So this 2 will be cancelled out with this 2, and from here we get the value of a is equal to 16 divided by 2, 8. Now to find the value of b, we put this value of a, 8, in this equation. The equation is a plus b is equal to 15. We replace this a with 8. So this will become 8 plus b is equal to 15. And we subtract 8 from both sides. So this get cancelled and we get the value of b is equal to 15 minus 8, 7. So from this case we get the value of a, 8, and value of b, 7. So the final set of solutions of a comma b is equal to, first pair is 4 comma 1 and the second pair is 8 comma 7.